A to B உங்கள் பசியார எங்கள் ருசி பேசும்.
Kumar P, the chairman of Law Trust, situated in Thiruvananthapuram, and this is Sundar Murthy, Tamil Nadu, patron of the Law Trust, and Mr. Advocate Prem Kumar, Secretary, the Law Trust. Sir, the Law Trust, the Legal Awareness and Welfare Trust, registered in 2012 and located in Thiruvananthapuram. And the purpose of the trust is to give legal awareness to the people at large and legal assistance. And we conducting legal awareness classes, seminars all over Kerala and also Tamil Nadu also. And our prestigious award, Justice V.R. Krishna Iyer Award, introduced in 2015 onwards, and the first award conferred to Advocate Neelakanta Sharma posthumously, who donated his organs. And the second award goes to, in 2016, to V.S. Achuthanandan, the veteran leader, and he was the Chief Minister of Kerala. And the award presented by Honorable Justice Kudian Joseph, Judge Supreme Court of India. And in 2017 award conferred to Professor Dr. N.R. Madhav Menu, and who is known as the father of modern legal education, and the award presented by Sri Pinarayi Vijayan, Honorable Chief Minister of Kerala. And 2018 award conferred to Sri Keshavananda Bharati, the litigant of the famous case Keshavananda Bharati versus State of Kerala. And this case is very famous case as the basic structure of the constitution and the principle of basic structure being introduced in this case. And the award was presented by Honorable Mr. Justice P. Sadashivam, then the Chief Justice of the Governor of Kerala at that time. He was. And in 2019, award conferred to Ms. M.T. Vasudevan Nair, and literalist and media person. And the award was presented by Sri P.S. Sridharan Pilla, the then Honorable Governor of Mysore. And 2020 award presented to Justice Kudian Joseph, presented by Honorable Justice C.T. Ravikumar, Judge Supreme Court of India. And the 2021 award is conferred to Padma Shri Advocate M.C. Mehta, environmentalist and the Senior Advocate of Supreme Court, and presented by Shri M.B. Rajesh, former Honorable Speaker, Kerala Legislative Assembly. And 2022 award conferred to Shri Oomen Chandy, posthumously, who was the Chief Minister of Kerala, and presented by Shri Arif Muhammad Khan, former Honorable Governor of Kerala. And the 2023 award goes to Dr. N.K. Jayakumar, the famous jurist. And 2024 award conferred to Sri Venkatesh Ramakrishnan, the famous media person. And both of these awards was given in 2024 and presented by Sri Pinarayi Vijayan, Honorable Chief Minister of Kerala. And now the jury, headed by Dr. N.K. Jayakumar and Senior Advocate Shahid Ahmed, and the Law Trust Chairman Advocate P. Santosh Kumar, myself, we unanimously declared to the prestigious award conferred to His Lordship Justice P. Sadashivam. And P. Sadashivam's illustrious career, marked by profound wisdom and landmark judgments that have shaped our nation's jurisprudence, embodies the very spirit of justice we are to serve. And conferring this award upon a jurist of His Lordship stature would not only honor his monumental contribution, but also significantly enhance the award's prestige and inspires future generations. And the award proposed to be given in December.
Proposed.
And the date is not yet fixed, and thereafter the award being, the time date be fixed. And and the objectives of the trust will Prem Kumar.
I am Prem Kumar, Secretary of the Law Trust. Our trust, the Law Trust, is founded in 2012. Registered office in Trivandrum and operate in entire Kerala, all over Pan India. The main objective of this Law Trust is the Law Trust mostly aim to endeavor to create legal awareness among the general public, to conduct legal workshop, seminar, awareness camps, legal camps, etc. To conduct legal awareness classes to the student in their informative year in school, college, etc. to create legally aware citizens. To provide legal assistance to the poor and needy persons. To publish and promote book, periodicals, etc. on law and related topics. To give financial and other assistance to lawyers who are in genuine need. To provide academic and other assistance to young lawyers for judicial and other various legal examination. To conduct legal awareness camps, clinics and seminars in rural and tribal and other unreached area of the society. Creatively instituting and participating in genuine public interest causes through the judicial system and other means for the betterment of the nation. To recognize and honor those who contribute especially to the nation building, particularly to the judiciary. These are the main objectives. We are already conducting more than 200 seminars and classes by experts in various fields in schools and other places like resident association, lot of things. School, college, resident association, backward classes, villages, everything.
Bar Association.
Institute of Personal Skill Development Program relating to the
And these are award conferred to advocates, social worker, judges,
media person,
media persons, and academicians.
politicians.
The sister concern, Law Trust sister concern the special and the judicial examination, an institution for legal awareness and legal related classes.
We are working with the maximum of ignorance of law is not excuse. That's the main maximum. So we deliver a lot of legal classes for needy persons.
Without remuneration.
Without remuneration.
The award yearly once.
Yearly once.
And
This award consists 50,000 rupees and a memento. Engraved with we are Justice Krishna.
And also a
50,000
rupees and a citation.
Law Trust திருவனந்தபுரம் செயல்படுகிறது. இந்த ஆண்டு விருது நமது உச்ச நீதிமன்ற முன்னாள் தலைமை நீதியரசர் திரு பி. சதாசிவம் அவர்களுக்கு டிசம்பர் மாதம் வழங்க இருக்கிறது.
இந்த டாக்டர்
அமைப்பு தொடர்பு கொண்டு பேசு.
எதுங்க?
அமைப்பு தொடர்பு என்னென்ன பண்ணுறாங்க?
இத்தனை வருஷமா நம்ம விருது கொடுத்துருக்கோம்.
கிட்டத்தட்ட 10 வருஷமாக பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிறோம். கிட்டத்தட்ட 10 ஆண்டுகளாக பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம்.
எதன் அடிப்படையில் அந்த அவார்ட்ஸ்லாம் தரீங்க? என்ன மாதிரி மெம்பர்ஸ்க்கு தரீங்க? மீடியா பர்சன்ஸ் தரீங்க?
இல்லை, அவங்களோட பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸு, பப்ளிக் இதுங்க